What do you wear in winter?
What do you wear in winter?
What do you wear in winter?
Raise your hand before speaking.
Raise your hand before speaking.
Raise your hand before speaking.
Do you like sunny days?
Do you like sunny days?
Do you like sunny days?
Take out your notebook.
Take out your notebook.
Take out your notebook.
Do you like animals?
Do you like animals?
Do you like animals?
Can you see the rainbow?
Can you see the rainbow?
Can you see the rainbow?
What is your favorite sport?
What is your favorite sport?
What is your favorite sport?
Don't eat too fast.
Don't eat too fast.
Don't eat too fast.
Where is your favorite place?
Where is your favorite place?
Where is your favorite place?
Help your little brother.
Help your little brother.
Help your little brother.
Bring your lunchbox.
Bring your lunchbox.
Bring your lunchbox.
Put on your coat.
Put on your coat.
Put on your coat.
Don't jump on the bed.
Don't jump on the bed.
Don't jump on the bed.
Look at the stars.
Look at the stars.
Look at the stars.
Be nice to everyone.
Be nice to everyone.
Be nice to everyone.
Do you like playing outside?
Do you like playing outside?
Do you like playing outside?
Can you clap your hands?
Can you clap your hands?
Can you clap your hands?
Water the plants.
Water the plants.
Water the plants.
Do not yell in the library.
Do not yell in the library.
Do not yell in the library.
Open your book.
Open your book.
Open your book.
Who is your teacher?
Who is your teacher?
Who is your teacher?
Don't forget your umbrella.
Don't forget your umbrella.
Don't forget your umbrella.
What is your favorite sport?
What is your favorite sport?
What is your favorite sport?
Do your best.
Do your best.
Do your best.
Play nicely with your friends.
Play nicely with your friends.
Play nicely with your friends.
Can you touch your toes?
Can you touch your toes?
Can you touch your toes?
Put the toys away.
Put the toys away.
Put the toys away.
What do you do on the weekend?
What do you do on the weekend?
What do you do on the weekend?
Stay in your seat.
Stay in your seat.
Stay in your seat.
Can you count to 100?
Can you count to 100?
Can you count to 100?
What makes you happy?
What makes you happy?
What makes you happy?
Bring your book.
Bring your book.
Bring your book.
Do you like chocolate?
Do you like chocolate?
Do you like chocolate?
Sit up straight.
Sit up straight.
Sit up straight.
Do not touch the stove.
Do not touch the stove.
Do not touch the stove.
Where is your backpack?
Where is your backpack?
Where is your backpack?
Write neatly.
Write neatly.
Write neatly.
Don't run inside.
Don't run inside.
Don't run inside.
What sound does a dog make?
What sound does a dog make?
What sound does a dog make?
Look at the sky.
Look at the sky.
Look at the sky.